Ever wonder how this full face of glam comes together? Let me take you through my complete makeup routine step by step. Hello, I'm Ashish Dare, cosmetologist, makeup artist, also your one-stop solution for makeups and beauty tips. Start with cleaning your face, then I'm using lightweight moisturizer to hydrate my skin, followed by Darba serum for that glass skin effect. Now your skin is ready and now step towards the bridge between makeup and skincare, that is primer. To even out the skin tone, I'm correcting my under eyes and around the mouth with the same shade of my skin tone. And yes, never skip this step. Now I'm applying medium coverage foundation by Charmazy Milano that matches my undertone, and let's blend it. Yes, the foundation should be same to your skin tone and undertone. That's the secret. Blend the foundation using brush or you can use a beauty blender as well. And here comes the concealing part. I'm applying concealer on under eyes, on nose, chin area, then forehead for that natural lip. Here I'm using Cancel Concealer from Mars Cosmetics. Blend the concealer well and set it all with loose powder. I'm using Rico's banana powder and setting my under eyes and the T-zone, mainly the oily areas where oil comes out. This powder helps to brighten your skin. Also, now it's time to define your face with some contour. Here I'm using a Glam 21 Scoop makeup palette to define my face. The shade for this contour is just perfect for my skin tone. It just adds a correct amount of warmth to my skin. A flush or blush brings life back to the face. I love warm tones for the sun-kissed look, and also I'm a blush blind person. Now the center of your makeup, that is your eye makeup. Yes. Now set the eyes with lightest shade because that's important. That's going to carry your whole eye makeup. Now I'm taking a orange reddish shade that is matching to my outfit and drawing a eyeliner kind of shape on my eyelids. Okay, it's an eyeliner only with eyeshadows. I want to keep my eye look simple but chatpata. So what's better than shimmer? And that too a copper shimmer. Now spread the shimmer all over your eyelids because that's how it's gonna be, and we are not going to apply anything else. Okay, I'm loving it already. Now take the same red shade and smudge it on lower waterline. Do not spread it too much because we are not gonna apply a kajal. Now the black liner over the red one. So draw a liner. I'll go for wing liner because that's gonna steal your show. By the way, I've already uploaded a full video for this eyeliner tutorial, so go and check it out. Arey, trust me, that's going to change your eyeliner game. If you follow me, you must know how much I love mascara. So here I'm using a mascara from Fashion Color and especially using a small one. Yeah, it helps to add a volume and the length to your lashes. Also, it's perfect for low lash line. Before I told you we are going to skip the kajal, but that was for black kajal. Here I'm using a golden kajal from Zudio, one of the best options for brown skin girlies. Anyway, I'm going to create another video for that and just look at it. Then comes the inner corner highlighting. I never skip this step. As I told you, I want to keep this not so simple yet simple eye makeup look, so I'm using golden color here. Now the setting spray, I'm using a setting spray from Mila Beauty and it just melts everything into one place. Ha, what do you think? I forgot highlighter? Never. It just I applied after a setting spray and just look at the glow. And now the showstoppers. A cute bindi and a bold lipstick. Bold in the terms of color, huh? By the way, it's going well on my outfit. What do you think? And now I'm ready. Just look at the glow and the glam. Okay, complete the look with statement earrings and you're ready to slay. Acha, tell me, what do you think about this look? If you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and see you soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye.